Samsung's latest high-end smartphones, Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra, have received overwhelmingly positive reviews from experts and buyers. The new phones offer much better performance, longer battery life, and improved cameras. Now, Samsung has revealed that it has received record-breaking pre-orders for the Galaxy S23 series in South Korea. According to reports from South Korea, Samsung has received over 1.09 million pre-orders for the Galaxy S23 series in just 7 days. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has been the most popular model in the series and received 650,000 pre-orders, accounting for 60% of all pre-orders received by Samsung. The Galaxy S23 received 23% of all pre-order units, and the Galaxy S23 Plus got 17% of pre-orders. In comparison, the Galaxy S22 series received 1.01 million pre-orders in the country. In the calendar year, Samsung aims to sell 10% more Galaxy S23 units than the Galaxy S22 series. In South Korea, Galaxy S23 series pre-orders came with many benefits, including free storage upgrades. It means when a buyer pays for the 128GB version of the Galaxy S23, they automatically get the 256GB version of the phone at no additional cost. Pre-orders also included additional trade-in discounts, a free wired and wireless charger, SmartThings station, and Samsung Store credit for ordering cases and other accessories. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's main upgrade was marketed to be its 200-megapixel primary camera. However, it was the phone's raw performance and long battery life that impressed most people. Of course, the cameras is great too, with low-light imaging and videography receiving the biggest improvement. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus also feature improved performance and much longer battery life. What about you? Have you pre-ordered Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, or S23 Ultra for yourself? If you haven't pre-ordered for yourself, pre-order now. That's it for today. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.